In this video, I will demonstrate how to add a new account to the chart of accounts in Wave. Start by navigating to your Wave dashboard and clicking on the Accounting option in the left-hand menu. This will expand additional options. From here, select Chart of Accounts to view all existing accounts and their respective categories, including assets, liabilities, and credit cards, income, expenses, and equity. Each major category may contain subcategories. For example, under Income, you may find Discount, Other Income, and Uncategorized Income. To create a new account, you have two options. The first is to click Add a New Account under the relevant subcategory. This automatically assigns the account type to the corresponding category. Enter the account name, which could reflect the source of income or the type of account you are creating. Optionally, you can enter an account ID if you use IDs to maintain a sequence, as well as a description to provide additional context. Click Save, and the new account will appear in the chart of accounts. The second option is to click the Add a New Account button located at the upper right-hand side of the screen. In this case, you must manually select the account type. Enter the account name, choose the currency, optionally enter an account ID, and add a description if desired. Click Save to create the account, and this is how you can add a new account to the chart of accounts in Wave.